I'm stuck in the couch. Ouch. Ow, ow, ow. Hey everybody, welcome to Tim Does Stuff, a channel where you can find me, Tim, doing, like the stuff I gotta do. Like today. Today, I am... What am I doing today? Today, what am I gonna call this? Taking the air conditioners out. We live in a century home and no central air for us in this central air century home. Our friends in this house, window air conditioners. My task is to just basically remove them. So here we go. We haven't got three-pronged electrical upstairs except for in the back of the house. Oh, it's already unplugged. So I unplugged the cord from the extension cord, and then I had to get up here and I took the towels out from underneath. That was a draft stop and also to stop any rainwater from coming in. And I thought, oh, dual purpose, I'm going to go ahead and just lay those down on the bed so then when I take this out of the window frame, I can just plop this right on there. But then, spider web. Ouch! Ow! For my next trick, I'm going to do this one out here, but I don't want to talk too loud because my neighbors outside. Oh, it's screwed in on the other side. Well, I have to go inside because I actually put a screw in to hold the window closed because it's on the main floor. Hang on. Oh, I'm sinking. Okay. Ow! I'm stuck in the couch. Ouch! Ow, ow, ow! Security check. Nothing can just be easy. It always ends up being difficult. Okay, now that I'm finished with my own house, I have gone over to my parents' house who have a similar house to ours. Problems with the electrical. Anyway, I've taken you to our childhood room. My brother and I shared this room. And I will give you... Oh, look at there we are. Are we so cute? Let's take a tour. Kids are now allowed to draw in this room also, so here's their little wall of monsters and things. Do you add sound later? Yeah. If I want to add sound like this one, I'll probably just do a music over. Either that or I'll just have us talk over me taking the duct tape off. Yeah. I'm not sure where the screen is for that. You don't need a screen in here, do you?
Oh yeah, your mom likes to open it in the winter and summer. You gotta have air.
I used to climb out on this roof. Spent a lot of time sitting out here before it was metal. Just stare at the street. Stare at the street. And I can push up a little bit more. Okay, and then we're gonna move it forward, walk it forward, and off the things, And then I'm gonna take it from you. Thank you very much.
Done?
Yep.
Yeah, he's right.
All right. And now.
Do you need help?
Okay, well, there you go, removing the air conditioners. Thanks for dropping by. Appreciate your time. Hey, Mortimer. Please remember to, like and subscribe and click the bells for the notifications, and we'll see you again next time. All right, bye. Stuck in the couch. Ouch, ow, ow, ow.
Oh boy.